Hello, YouTube. I am Eli the Fatigued. I am streaming live over on Twitch, twitch.tv/Eli the Fatigued. We're playing some Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead. Holy cow, that is a lot of zombies. Oop. That. A random pipe in the middle of the... Okay. Drive past the dinosaur exhibit real quick. What do we got over here? Got, I cannot read that writing. Ankylosaurus? Oh, ooh, Brontosaurus. Okay. Yeah, it's red text on a pink background. That's not the best idea. Camptosaurus. Gallimimus. Oh, it's a compy. Okay. I don't know how to say their name. Stegosaurus, I would guess. I can't read that text in that background. Ooh, a Velociraptor. That's scary. And another. Well, everything is distracted. Ooh, life. Well, everything is distracted with each other. Anything good? Pocket knife and... Oh. At least it's saving now. That's the important thing. Oh, Dioplosaurus. That's what it's called. Okay. Let's see if I can't drag them into that Dioplosaurus. Or drag it into them. Have fun with the dino. It's a bit of a jerk. Like all dinos in this mod. Big thing is books. Oh. Big lantern. Pretty sure I have a hacksaw, but just in case. Hope is always useful. Whoa, what? Alright, well, gotta find a stethoscope eventually. Best place for those I think are doctor's offices. As long as they aren't messing with my car, well. I haven't been picking up solder, so wouldn't be a bad idea to pick up some. Hydrate real quick. Okay, I'm back. Alright, books please. Okay. Not terrible books, but not the books I'm looking for. Unfortunately. Those are some binoculars. Yay. Probably have enough soap at this point, honestly. That's one of the houses, more or less clear. Or no bookcase, right? Yeah. Hello. I introduce you to my friend Diaplosaurus. He actually took one of those zombies down. Good for him. He's completely fine. It's zombies versus an armored dinosaur. The dinosaur's gonna be fine. Yeah, fair enough. Zombie. And a gigantic naked mole rat. Okay. Worth it already. Hiya. people really... Oh, hi. People really put coffee makers next to their beds. That just sounds dangerous. Alright, y'all come down here and say hi to Diaplosaurus, please. Yeah, he's still at full health. He's fine. Honestly. I do. He's completely, totally fine. Anything worthwhile from picking up? Nothing worth picking up, so we'll just do it again. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but the dinosaur was completely unfazed by probably both those grenades at this point. Yeah, completely unfazed. Dinosaurs are awesome. They're great distractions. How powerful I am, not that I need the distractions, but still. They're great that they exist in the first place. Because dinosaurs are cool. Now I can loot the place in peace. Oh, there. No ammo in it. Fair enough. Oh, hi. Would have been nice if it had been a foldable bike. Bad gator. And all of them. Time to get the heck out of here. What do we have? Okay. Fortunately, not a whole lot of much of anything. It's quiet, fortunately. Oh, nice. Binoculars are helping now. Is that a FEMA camp? Yeah. Apple orchard. Cabin. Orchard 1. Radio tower would be good to stop by. Another one there. I'll stop by the radio towers. Then I'll swing back up here unless I see something else that's better. And then we'll do this one and then this radio tower here. That's the plan for now. We'll see if it survives contact with the enemy. Cattle sword. I think we'll make it safely to this radio tower and then call this episode to an end. Whoa, okay. Sorry, I closed my eyes for about 5 seconds there, and... Okay, I need to call the episode here. It is getting quite late. YouTube, thank you for joining me. I've been Eli the Fatigued. I'm very fatigued today, as you can tell by the 5 seconds of driving that I slammed into the fence with. Uh-huh. Alright. Thank you for joining me. If you've enjoyed any dimension of this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe. It really helps support the channel, and I do appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.